Hello dear students, myself Rajesh Kumar, and today in this lecture we are going to discuss the last topic of this chapter, that is the rainwater harvesting. So in last two lecture we have discussed the topics hydrological cycle, then water scarcity, what are the causes of the water scarcity, and the water management. And again we have discussed the next important topic, multipurpose river project, and what is the difference between dams and multipurpose river project, and why Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru proclaimed that dams are the temples of modern India. And again we have discussed the topic, that is the merits and demerits of the dams. And we have again discussed the topic, that is Sardar Sarovar Dam, and the major water dispute. So today we are taking the first topic, that is the interstates water dispute. So first of all, understand what is the meaning of the interstate water dispute. So it's mean that the water dispute, that is the river water dispute between two states or more than two states. So first of all, take a look that which are the main interstates river water disputes that is going on in India. So that is, so in this slide you can see that these are the major interstates river water dispute, and these interwater dispute that is regulated by the tribunals, and these tribunals are called as the NGT, and the full form of the NGT, that is the National Green Tribunal. क्या फुल फॉर्म है? नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल. And this national green tribunal body, it is a constitutional body, and this is related to the protection of the environment, and to resolve the dispute among the states related to the water and flora and fauna. So first of all, we can see that the first water dispute, that is the Godavari water dispute, and the main states are Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. So here are Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. And the constitution date of this tribunal, that is the 1969 April, and already the present status, that is this is decision given by this NGT. And the next second is Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal. This is very important and very for the competitive exam point of view, it is very important. Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal. So four main states which are Maharashtra, three main states, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Clear? Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. And again the date of constitution, that is the 1969, and already given decision in May 1976. The next one is the Narmada Water Dispute. So Narmada Water Dispute between the states of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra, and again date 1969, and already decision has comes out. Then next one is the Ravi Vyas Water Tribunal. So main three states, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, अप्रैल 1986 की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की डेट है, एंड डिसीजन गिवन इन 1987, बट द मैटर इज पेंडिंग इन द कोर्ट. Then again next one is the Kaveri water dispute, very important from GK point of view and competitive exam point of view. Kaveri water dispute, और बहुत बार एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आते हैं, which are the main state under this Kaveri water dispute. The main states are Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. So three main states and one UT. 1990 में कॉन्स्टिट्यूट हुआ ये, एंड ऑलरेडी decision given, but matter is again in the pocket of the court. Then again Krishna water dispute, main states कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, अप्रैल 2004 में, एंड डिसीजन जो है अभी हो चुका है, बट मैटर जो है अगेन पेंडिंग है कोर्ट में. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द अभी रिसेंटली एक 2010 में एक और रिवर वाटर डिस्प्यूट आया 2010 में बिटवीन आंध्र प्रदेश एंड उड़ीसा. दो स्टेट में आंध्र प्रदेश एंड उड़ीसा, एंड दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द वंशधारा वाटर डिस्प्यूट, जो कि एक रिवर है, दोनों के बीच रिवर है. सो डिसीजन इज पेंडिंग. सो दीज आर द इम्पोर्टेंट वाटर डिस्प्यूट, रिवर वाटर डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन स्टेट्स और अमंग द स्टेट्स. Now the next topic, that is the rainwater harvesting. So rainwater harvesting, that is what is the meaning of the rainwater harvesting. First of all, understand the meaning of the rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means the collection and conservation of the rainwater. So that is called as the rainwater harvesting, and in India there are various types of techniques by which people doing the practice of the rainwater harvesting. Now come to the topic, which are the main techniques. So in next point we will discuss the main techniques. So first one, the first technique, that is the Gul and Cools, and this techniques is mainly practiced in the Himalayas region, and in which part of the Himalaya? That is the Western Himalaya. Now the next important is the rooftop rainwater harvesting techniques. And rooftop rainwater harvesting mainly practiced in the region of the Rajasthan. All we know that Rajasthan is a desert state, and in this state the water scarcity is very common problem. So that's why the people are doing in this region, that is the rooftop rainwater harvesting. And what is the rooftop rainwater harvesting? In this, the water of the rainfall that is collected from the roofs and then stored underground tanks. So that is called as the rooftop rainwater harvesting, and we can use that water for the irrigation purpose, for the drinking purpose, and for various types of gardening purpose, etc. Then again, next important technique of the rainwater harvesting, that is in the West Bengal region, that is called as the inundation channels. Inundation channels क्या हैं? These are the flood plains area, and water is the water of the river that is diverted towards the fields, and the river water that deposit the sand, silt, and due to this inundation channel, the river the soil of the fields that become more fertile and become more productive. And again, there is one more important technique in the Rajasthan region, and already we know that the Rajasthan is called as the arid and semi arid region, and here एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड जो खेत हैं उनको कन्वर्ट किया जाता है रेन फेड स्टोरेज स्ट्रक्चर में। यानी जो फील्ड हैं, खेत होते हैं, उनको क्या किया जाता है? कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है किसमें? रेन फेड स्टोरेज स्ट्रक्चर, ताकि रिवर जो रेनफॉल का वाटर है वो उनमें स्टोर हो सके। और उस स्ट्रक्चर को क्या बोलते हैं? इन दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द खादिन। और खादिन कहाँ बोला जाता है? मेनली जैसलमेर में बोला जाता है। और इसी रेन फेड स्टोरेज स्ट्रक्चर को जोहाद बोला जाता है। कहाँ पे? राजस्थान में। तो खादिन इन जैसलमेर एंड जोहाद इन राजस्थान। सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टेक्निक्स हैं कौन कौन सी? गोल्स inundation channel, rooftop rainwater harvesting, and khadins in Jaisalmer and Johaz in Rajasthan region. So now come to the topic, that is we can see some images related to these techniques in next slide. अब सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द रूफटॉप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग या रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग। अब इस स्लाइड में देखो, यहाँ से क्लाउड्स के थ्रू रेनफॉल हो रही है, और रेनफॉल आफ्टर द रेनफॉल द वाटर इज कलेक्टेड थ्रू द पीवीसी पाइप्स एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्टोरेज टैंक। दिस इज द स्टोरेज टैंक, एंड दिस स्टोरेज टैंक इज कॉल्ड एज संप मतलब हौदी, जिसको जहाँ पे पानी को स्टोरेज किया जाता है। सो रेन वाटर जो है वो इन पीवीसी पाइप्स के थ्रू कहाँ पे आ रहा है? दैट इज stored in the sump, and after the storage of the water we can use that water for the agriculture purpose, for the gardening purpose, for the household purpose, for the drinking water purpose, and sometimes we can utilize that water in the small scale industrial use also. Clear? So this is the rainwater harvesting. And again, this is one more diagram, that this one is the roof of the house, and water is collected through these roofs and then transferred through the PVC pipe, and these PVC pipes linked connected with the sump or the storage pump, and the water is stored here, and then we can use that water for different purpose. Now come to the topic, what is the rainwater harvesting and advantages. So what are the advantages? The first one is that is it is very cheap method. It is very cheap method. Firstly, the installation cost is high, after that it is very cheap, then it is the construction is really very good in the rural area as well as in the urban area, and in those area where the water scarcity is the main problem. And second one, the most important is it is environment friendly, low maintenance cost is there, and low requirement है, increase the groundwater level and its quality. सेकेंड, रिचार्जिंग द ग्राउंड वाटर एंड मिटिगेट द इफेक्ट ऑफ ड्राउट्स, मतलब जितने भी सूखे पड़ते हैं वहाँ पे सूखे को कम कर सकता है। रिड्यूस द रन ऑफ, यानी रन ऑफ जितना भी है, चाहे वो रेन वाटर के थ्रू है तो उस वाटर को क्या करेगा? रन ऑफ को कम करेगा। और इस रन ऑफ के थ्रू क्या हो जाएगा? सॉइल इरोजन भी क्या होगा? कम होगा। अगर सॉइल इरोजन कम होगा तो हमारी सॉइल जो है वो फर्टाइल होगी, प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज होगी। हेल्प इन, अगेन टॉपिक इज हेल्प इन रिड्यूसिंग वाटर एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल। इससे क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भी कम आएगा और वाटर बिल भी वो क्या होगा? कम आएगा। उसके बाद again, it is the water in the storage tank we can utilize for the industries, for the household purpose, for the animal husbandry purpose, or for the gardening purpose. Clear? So it is modern technique, eco friendly. So these are the main important advantages of the rainwater harvesting. So this one is the first diagram is related to the ghouls and cools. So this is the ghouls and cools, and ghouls and cools mainly practice in the mountainous area like Himachal, like J&K, and parts of the Himalayan region. So what happened in the Gul and Kul? In the mountainous area, these are called as the Guls. So Guls and Kuls has been created, and the rainwater that flow through these Guls and Kuls, and the water, when we are flowing these Guls and Kuls, we can utilize the water for the irrigation purpose in the mountainous area, and these are also called as the terrace farming, which is very important for the conservation of the soil erosion. Clear? So this is the Guls and Kuls. Then what are the Guls and Kuls? So these are made, they are made and used by the purpose of irrigation के लिए important है. These are the diversion channel है. क्यों diversion channel क्या है? क्योंकि when the rain water coming from the mountainous area, so that again flow that flowing with the silt and the clay soil, and that deposited in the fields, and the soil of the field become more fertile. And this is mainly used in the state of Himalaya region या Himachal Pradesh region, and again very important purpose, and special care should be taken while construction and maintenance. So these are the Guls and Kuls. उसके बाद है Khadins. So Khadins, what are the Khadins? Khadins means when the fields in the Rajasthan region that converted into रेन वाटर स्टोरेज स्ट्रक्चर. सो वाटर जो है उन फील्ड्स में जब उसको स्टोर किया जाएगा तो उसको क्या बोल देंगे? खादिन्स एंड जोहाज. सो खादिन कहाँ पे बोलेंगे? दैट इज़ इन द जैसलमेर रीजन, एंड जोहाज इन द other part of the Rajasthan. So this is the water through of the rainwater, that is the rainwater that stored in the fields area, and that is called as the khadin. और khadin को एक और word है local name, that is called as the dhora. Okay. उसके बाद है जोहाद. So what is the जोहाद? Again that is the fields that converted into the rainwater storage structure, so that is called as the johad. Clear? उसके बाद एक और हमने important terms पढ़ी है, that is the inundation channel. So what is the inundation channel? So mainly this inundation channel is practiced in the West Bengal. Important question है. And what happened? For example, this is the river, water is flowing. So what happened in the inundation channel? These inundation channel are created near the embankment area, and that embankment allowing the water to cross inside the field, and this water is providing the irrigation facility to this field area, and also depositing the silt and the clay in this region, so the soil of this region that become more fertile. So this is called as the inundation channel. Clear? उसके बाद one important again Tankas is again the important techniques of the rainwater harvesting in the Bikaner region, Barmer, Falodi region of Rajasthan. So what happened? This is the sump या storage structure of the rainwater, and the slope of all area that is given to this point, and the water of the rainwater that moves toward this point, and after some time this tankas will be filled with the rainwater, and the water can be utilized for drinking, agriculture, and industrial and other animal husbandry purpose. Clear? So these are the major techniques. Now come to the question, how the rooftop rainwater harvesting is practiced. So the rooftop water is collected using a PVC pipe के through collect होगा, filtered using sand and bricks. क्या होगा उसमें? जहाँ पे filter होगा means ये जो है यहाँ पे इस region में filter इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सैंड एंड ब्रिक्स, और उसके बाद सारे का सारा वाटर कहाँ पे स्टोर हो जाएगा? इन द स्टोर टैंक. ओके. So already we have discussed, that is the Khadins and Johad regions of the Rajasthan. Then again in some of the areas like Bikaner region में Falodi and Barmer, ये दो important traditionally वहाँ पे क्या मिले हैं? अंडरग्राउंड टैंक्स मिले हैं. और ये जो टैंक्स हैं ये बेसिकली जिनको हम बोलते हैं जहाँ पे रेन वाटर को कलेक्ट किया जाता है और स्टोर किया जाता है, और मेनली ये टैंक्स या टंकास भी इनको बोलते हैं. सो दैट इज़ यूटिलाइजिंग फॉर ओनली फॉर ड्रिंकिंग पर्पस. तो आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे को डिपार्टमेंट को यहाँ पे क्या मिला है? ड्रिंकिंग वाटर का जो टंकाज है उसका कुछ क्या अवशेष मिले हैं. तो वहाँ पे ये जो मिला है फालोदी रीजन में, उसकी जो डेप्थ है 6.1 मीटर डीप है, 4.27 मीटर लॉन्ग है, एंड 2.44 मीटर वाइड है. तो दिस इज़ यूटिलाइज फॉर द रूफटॉप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, एंड this is again used for the storing of the rain water. And this is again, this tankas again in the summer region they are called as the palar pani. So palar pani is again used for the underground tanks and using for the drinking water purpose. And rooftop, again interesting fact, very important fact related to the Meghalaya region. So what is the interesting fact? So rainwater harvesting is the most common practice in the Shillong. Now you say Shillong is the capital of the Meghalaya, so Meghalaya receiving world हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा रेनफॉल रिसीव करता है। तो मेघालय में चेरापूंजी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक जगह है, दैट इज़ द विलेज नेम, दैट इज़ द मासिन राम, एंड दैट इज़ रिसीविंग रेनफॉल इज दैट इज़ द हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल इन द होल वर्ल्ड. सो अगेन द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट इज़ चेरापूंजी एंड मासिन राम सिचुएटेड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 55 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम शिलोंग. यानी चेरापूंजी और मासिन राम का शिलोंग से 55 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है. और ये चेरापूंजी मासिन राम रिसीविंग हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड and receiving the highest rainfall of the world. But the problem is that कि जो शिलोंग है जहाँ पे क्या हो रही है, that is facing the problem of water scarcity. क्लियर. मासिन राम इसी शिलोंग में 55 किलोमीटर के ऊपर डिस्टेंस पे वर्ल्ड की हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल हो रही है, जबकि जो कैपिटल रीजन है मेघालय का, दैट इज़ फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वाटर स्केर्सिटी. सो इन द शिलोंग रीजन द रूफ टॉप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग अगेन इज़ वेरी फेमस एज लाइक इन द राजस्थान region. Again in the Rajasthan region, different types, the practice of the rainwater harvesting that is decreasing day by day. And why the practice of the rainwater harvesting decreasing day by day? Due to the availability, due to the construction of the perennial canal that is called as the Indira Gandhi canal. अब perennial का क्या मतलब है? perennial होती है the rivers which flowing throughout the year. So there are, we have two types of river, seasonal river and perennial river. One is seasonal, second one is perennial. So seasonal, that flowing from season to season. Clear. They become dry in the winter season and flowing in the summer season, while perennial, the rivers which are flowing through होल ऑफ द ईयर इन विंटर एंड समर सीजन. क्लियर. सो पेरिनियल कनाल है, जिसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ पे रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग की टेक्निक्स क्या हो रही है, डिक्रीज हो रही है डे बाई डे. नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट to see the Indira Gandhi Canal command area over the map work. So beta, this is the map of our India, and this is the Punjab state. Clear. This point is the Punjab state, and two rivers, one river that is Satluj river, and Satluj river that is rises from the Mansarovar lake in China, that is the Tibet region, and one that is the Satluj river, and Satluj river, this is the Satluj river. And second river that is in the Manali, Kullu Manali, the Vyas river is rises, and these two rivers join with one another at Firozpur and Taran district of Punjab. फिरोजपुर और तरन तारण डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंजाब के पास एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन करते हैं, और वहीं पे क्या बना है, एक गांव का नाम है हरिके. हरिके क्या है, गांव का नाम है. वहाँ पे हरिके डैम बना हुआ है, और हरिके डैम से ही वहाँ से क्या बनी हुई है, इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल जो है वो बनी हुई है. और ये कैनाल कहाँ से, पूरे के पूरे राजस्थान को, जहाँ से हनुमानगढ़ से होते हुए जैसलमेर, बीकानेर, यहाँ तक ये सारे के सारे इस रीजन को क्या प्रोवाइड कर रही है, इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर रही है, जिसकी वजह से पूरे के पूरे राजस्थान में जो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग की टेक्निक है वो क्या हो रही है, वो डिक्रीज हो रही है. तो यहाँ पे दो जीके के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. कौन सी दो रिवर है इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल कमांड एरिया में? फर्स्ट वन इज द सतलुज, सेकंड वन इज द ब्यास. क्लियर. सतलुज कहाँ से निकल रही है, चाइना से निकल रही है, और ब्यास कहाँ से निकल रही है, हिमाचल से निकल रही है. और ये दोनों रिवर कहाँ पे मर्ज हो रही हैं, हरिके में. और हरिके में एक डैम बना हुआ है जिसका नाम भी हरिके डैम है, और वहीं से ही इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल कमांड एरिया जो है वो राजस्थान के लिए पूरे के पूरे इरीगेशन की फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. ओके. So this is the Indira Gandhi Canal command area. So due to this, the rainwater harvesting is decreasing day by day. So this is the, and again there is one important factor regarding the rooftop rainwater harvesting, that Tamil Nadu is the first state in our country where the rooftop rainwater harvesting structure is compulsory for every household. कि हर घर में एक क्या होगा, रूफ टॉप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर होगा ही होगा, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द रूफ टॉप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. सो बेटा दिस इज द, एंड अगेन देर इज वन important irrigation system that is called as a bamboo drip irrigation system. And bamboo drip irrigation system is in which state? That is in the Meghalaya. So Meghalaya, and the age of this drip irrigation system, that is 200 years old system, tapping stream system, and in which the bamboo pipes has been used for the irrigation purpose. So this is the very amazing and interesting water collection point, and for using for the irrigation purpose in the Meghalaya region. So this is whole information about this chapter. Clear? So which are the main important question? So firstly, the main important question, which state has the where the compulsory rooftop rainwater harvesting? Answer is Tamil Nadu. In which state the bamboo drip irrigation system constituted? That is in the Meghalaya. Then what is Indira Gandhi Canal Command Area? What is Falodi region? And what is Tankas? And where the archaeological sites has found the Tankas? Clear? इसका स्ट्रक्चर याद कर सकते हैं. What is पालर पानी? And उसके बाद नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाट इज़ द रूफ टॉप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम? व्हाट आर द रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग मेजर टेक्निक्स? सो द आंसर इज गुल्स एंड कुल्स. देन इनंडेशन चैनल्स, रूफ टॉप रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, खादिन्स, जोहाद, पालर पानी, टंकास. ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हैं. उसके बाद फ्लड्स किससे रिलेटेड भी क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि व्हाट आर द कॉजेज ऑफ द फ्लड एंड हाउ वी कैन कंट्रोल द फ्लड्स. उसके बाद मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ इंटर स्टेट वाटर डिस्प्यूट, जिसमें गोदावरी है, गोदावरी वाटर डिस्प्यूट, कावेरी वाटर डिस्प्यूट, सतलुज ब्यास डिस्प्यूट, तो नर्मदा डिस्प्यूट भी है. उसके बाद what are the merits and demerits of the multi-purpose river project and what is water scarcity and how we can do the water management in our country. So this is the whole detailed information about the chapter, that is the water resource. I hope you like this video. So this is the third and the last video related to the water resource chapter. After this we will again load a video with the summary of this chapter and the map work, which is very essential point of view from the board exam point of view. Okay beta, thank you.